This is the answer key of 30 bar 1 bar 2. First one it is option A, second one it is option B, third one it is option B, fourth one it is option D, fifth one it is option B, sixth one it is option C. The photo is not clear. Next photo is clear. Then seventh question onwards. Seventh one it is option B, eighth one it is option D, ninth one it is option D, 10th one it is option C, 11 it is option D, 12 it is option C, 13 it is option A, 14 it is option A, then next is 15 onwards. 15 it is option D, 16 it is option D, 17 it is option B, 18 it is option C, then 19 it is option C and 20 it is option A. എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെയും ആൻസർ കീ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. പ്ലീസ് ചെക്ക് all answer key of all the question paper in 2026. Okay, thank you.